This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've got the file open. Start by isolating the two bodies you want to connect so you don't misclick. Once done, switch to Assemble and pick Joint. This sets the correct tool. Make sure you set a clear origin or axis reference now. It makes alignment predictable later. Save a version so you can revert if needed. Doing these first steps prevents costly alignment fixes and keeps your workspace tidy while you proceed. Next, choose the joint type that matches the intended motion and why it matters. Rigid locks, Revolute allows rotation, Slider creates linear travel. You pick the geometry, face, edge, or point, so the joint reference is exact. Use Align to correct any misorientation. Enter offsets or rotation numerically for repeatable results, and then drag the component to confirm range of motion. Finally, validate the connection by animating or simulating the joint so you can see full travel and catch interferences. Once satisfied, either lock the joint or convert the connected bodies to a rigid group if they should move as one. That ensures stability. Save and export your updated assembly and note the joint parameters for future edits. If things go wrong, check whether you used component joints versus body joints and confirm contact sets. Wrong selection is the most common cause of separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.